Hey guys, making it work. I'm Jimmy if you haven't been here before. Today I'm going to show you some of the vehicles I have to work on a regular basis. Just to give you an idea. The Reaper, seen a video on that one already. 70 Camaro, I just put a flywheel and a starter in that. Roadrunner, going to be doing carburetor work. 87 Monte Carlo SS, needs a transmission. Dune buggy, that one runs bad, low power, pops on acceleration. Semi, that's just getting tires, I'm not doing that one. And then we got a parking lot full of abandoned or semi-abandoned vehicles with any camper. We got to pack wheel bearings on a camper. So, and what's the last one? Chevelle. Taking in more unusual work, classic cars and stuff for me to get to. You can see how dirty it's been from sitting in this bay for 6 months. Fixed a lot of stuff, but he wants to fix a lot more. Fixing a transmission leak and fixing a radiator leak. And he wants to rebuild his dashboard and rewire everything in the dashboard. So we gave him a $5,000 estimate for that. I'm waiting to be able to start on it. They're going to make him put half up front because we've got quite a bit of time in that car. But this Camaro, 87 Camaro, I put a Jasper engine in a few years ago. He's a good customer. But now we're doing the AC check. So low on Freon. We're going to find out why. But that's another day in the life of a master mechanic at All Car Shop. So we're not a hot rod shop, by the way. We're supposed to be working on all kinds of cars, but it seems like it's all classic cars lately. I think people spot them in the parking lot and when they're driving by, and then they bring their classic cars to us because no one in town will work on them. So that's how my day's starting off today so far. So hope you guys are doing well. Thanks for watching this video.